How to redeem Epic Games redemption code. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Besnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can redeem your Epic Games redemption code or the gift card. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, if you want to do it on the Epic Games launcher, you can do it on the Epic Games launcher as well. You can redeem your code there. If you want to do it on your browser, on your device, you can simply head into your browser on any of your device, any browser that you want, and on the search bar what you want to do is you want to type in epicgames.com/redeem. So simply type in epicgames.com/redeem, and once you type this, you're gonna simply tap on go. Once you tap on go, you'll be headed to this particular page, but before this it'll ask you to log into your account or sign into your account. You want to sign into your account and then enter in your code here and then tap on redeem, and you'll get redeemed to the particular account that you sign in on. If you're already signed in and you want to check which account you're signing on, you can tap on the three horizontal line icon at the top right there and then tap on profile icon, and you'll be able to see your profile. If you scroll down, if you want to switch account, you can tap on sign out and you can sign out, and you can head into profile there and you can redeem it. So this way you can easily redeem your Epic Games redemption code or gift card. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.